Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. A volcano wonderland. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is on an island in Hawaii. A national park is protected land. Volcanoes form a park. A volcano begins with hot, beaded rocks deep in the earth. The rocks push off through the ground. Then the rocks cool. Over time, the rocks build up into volcanoes. Two special volcanoes are in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. One volcano in the park is very active, leaping lava. In 1959, one volcano shot lava higher in the air than the Eiffel Tower. Another volcano in the park is very big. An amazing history. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is 520 square miles. That is 1.347 kilometers. People have come to see the volcanoes for a long time. President Woodrow Wilson made the land a national park on August 1, 1960. The land became a national park in 1916. There are volcanoes and lava tubes of big tunnels under the ground. People can walk through them. Wildlife at the volcano's edge. Hundreds of animals are protected in the park. Hundreds of plants are protected in the park. Enjoy it, but watch your step. People can hike or camp in the park. When the volcanoes are active, parts of the park close. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is fun to visit. Okay, thank you for reading books and listening to me. See you and goodbye.